Assalamualaikum grade 1. Take out your Oxford English Progressive book and open your page number 10. Today we are starting unit 2 lesson 3 reading The Hungry Monster. The meaning of hungry is craving for food, and the monster is a large, ugly and frightening imaginary creature. Listen as you read the story, then answer the question. Is the monster good or bad? First of all, we read the story and then we know the monster is good or bad. This is Mango Jango. Look at here. He is Mango Jango. His name is Mango Jango and he is a monster. You look at here. He is looking ugly. Oh, that's why he is monster. He has red ears and green wings, and he has red ears and green wings. He has a long blue tail and 6 legs. He has long blue tail, and how many legs he has? He has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 legs, and he's a monster. Here are Sarah, Ali and Fiza. Sarah and Fiza are sisters. Ali is their brother. They are all at home. Look at them. She is Sarah, she is Fiza, and he is Ali. Sarah and Fiza, they both are sisters, and Ali is their brother. They are all at home. Sarah sees the monster. Suddenly, Sarah sees the monster. She is afraid and she feeling fear from him. Help, she says. There's a monster. She runs away and she says, please help me. There's a monster. And she runs away. Then Ali sees the monster. And Ali also sees the monster. She is afraid too, and she is also feeling fears to monster. And he help, he says, there's a monster, and he also says, please help me, and he runs away. Now they both are running. Look at next page. The monster looked at Fiza. Can you help me? He asked. I am very thirsty. Please give me some water. The monster looked at Fiza. Can you help me? He asked. I am very thirsty. Please give me some water. Because he feeling thirsty, so he asked help from Fiza. Fiza is not afraid, and Fiza is not feeling fears to him. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Thank you, says Mango Jango, and Mango Jango is thankful to her. He drinks the water and now he is drinking water. Look at this picture. The monster looks at Fiza. Can you help me? He asks. I'm very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. Again, the monster looks at Fiza and he says, can you help me? He asked, I'm very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. Here you are, she says. She gave him some mangoes. Now look at this picture. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you, says Mango Jango. Again, Mango Jango is thankful to her. And she eats the mango. And he eats the mangoes. The monster is happy now. He is very sleepy too. He sits under the chair, then he goes to sleep. Now look at here. Monster is happy and he is very sleepy too. Look at here. He's very sleepy too. He sits under the chair, then he goes to sleep. Now he is sleeping. Good monster, says Fizza. So now tell me the answer of this question. Is the monster good or bad? Yes, the monster is good. Because he don't tease to anyone. When he drinks the water, he says thank you to Fizza. And when he eats the mangoes, he says thank you to Fizza. Now your homework is read page number 10 and 11. Now look at B part. Use the word in the box to complete the sentences. Mango Django run, green water, mangoes chair. Okay. What is the monster name? His name is Mango Django. Okay. What color are the monster wings? His wings are green. Okay. His wings are green. Now write it here, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay. What do Sarah and Ali do? They dash away. They run away. Okay, now write it run. R-U-N, run. What does Fizza do? She gives him some dash and dash. She gives him some water and mangoes. Now write it water, W-A-T-E-R, water, and some mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S. What does the monster do? He goes to sleep under the chair. Okay, now write it here, chair, C-H-A-I-R. Okay, now tell me the frightening animals. The frightening animals are like tiger, lion, snake, crocodile, etc. Okay. Now look at here, he's monster and he is also frightening imaginary creation. Okay. Now take care. Allah Hafiz. Today we're starting Unit 2, Lesson 4, Sentences. A group of words which make sense are called sentences. Look at the picture. Answer the questions using the words in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Example. How many wings does it have? It has 4 wings. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 wings. How many legs does it have? Okay, now count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs. Now write it here. IT, it. HAS, has. EIGHT, 8. LEGS, legs. How many tails does it have? It has 1 tail. Write it here. IT, it. Has ONE1 TAIL, tail. How many eyes does it have? It has 2 eyes. Okay, now write it here. It has has TWO2 YES, 2 eyes. What about you? Ask and answer questions using the words eyes, fingers, ears and legs. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. Now tell me, how many fingers do you have? You have 9 fingers. How many ears do you have? You have 2 ears. And how many legs do you have? You have 2 legs. Okay, C part. Make sentences using words in the table. The monster's ears are small. The monster's ears are big, small, long, short. The monster's ears are small. Now match it with small. The monster's mouth. The monster's mouth is big. Now match it with big. The monster's tail is long. The monster tail is long. The monster's eyes are small. Look at their eyes. They are small. The monster's legs are short. They are short. The monster's nose is small. Now match it with small. The monster's wings are short. Short. The monster's teeth are small. They are small. Okay, now look at next page. Page number 13. Unit 2, Lesson 5, Writing. A. Part. Circle the correct word to complete the sentences. The monster has big or small wings. This monster has small wings. Now circle it. It's already done for you. The monster has a short or long tail. This monster has long tail. Now match it. Circle it. The monster has a short or long tail. It has short tail. Now circle it. This monster has big or small horns. Big or small. It has small horns. SMALL. Small horns. Okay. Draw a line from the word to the picture to show what each monster is doing. This monster is sleeping. Look at here. Now match it with sleeping. This monster is flying. Now match it with flying. Is this monster is flying? No. Sitting? No. Sleeping? No. Running? Yes. This monster is running. Now match it the word running. Okay. C part. Draw a picture of monster. Color the picture. Write sentences about your monster. My monster is happy. It has one tail. It has how many eyes? 2 eyes. It has green wings. WINGS. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.